Okay, so I have ground beef here, diced onion, some turmeric, a bit of ginger garlic, a little bit of black pepper, some cloves, just a touch of cinnamon. This is powdered cinnamon, freshly grated. Green chilies, I like heat as much as you want. Freshly chopped coriander, and a couple of eggs to help bind everything. And now just mix everything together. And now some toddy vinegar. A little goes a long way. Now it's all about making the meatballs. Make them nice and compact into breadcrumbs, and you want to pat them down. I don't want them too round. I want them almost flat like a hamburger so you can easily cook them on the frying pan. So now I'm just gonna shallow fry them in a frying pan with some extra virgin olive oil. I like to crisp them up on the outside and inside a little bit rare. And you can smell those Indian spices. They look ready, I'm just gonna flip them over. I love polpette or Italian-style meatballs, and I thought, why not turn these into meat patties and just give them a Goan flair. You know, back home, sometimes you add some ketchup. It has that vinegar hit for flavor. Well, I'm in Goa. I've just now been introduced to toddy vinegar.